I used to have a boss who, whenever I would encounter her, she'd have this energy about her that was frenzied, panicked a bit. And when I would leave her presence, I would also feel frenzied and panicked. I would notice that my heart rate was sped up. Maybe I'd even be sweating a little bit. My breath would be at a faster pace. So what was happening here? Have you ever been around somebody who's like this tornado of energy, and then when you leave their energy, you feel like them and not like you? What's happening is that physiologically, we begin to match other people who have a very strong energy, who have very strong rapid heart rate, who have very strong frenzied energy and quick breathing. This is anxiety, this is stress. Now the thing is we always want to be in harmony, but if we don't have a practice that allows us to ground into ourselves, into a place of calm, having that, the deep, long exhale, then when we come into an encounter with someone like my old boss or someone who is this tornado of energy, we lose our ground. What the practice of meditation has done for me, and what I've seen it do for many of my students, is allows them not to go into that tornado of energy and to hold your ground. So to be solid, strong, and calm from within. In this 21-day practice together, we'll have several tools that will support you in finding this place each and every day, and tools that you can continue to use off the cushion and in the world. I hope to see you.